Replacing toiletries. Essential bathroom chores. Welcome to our English language learning video on replacing toiletries. In this video, we will explore essential vocabulary and phrases related to bathroom chores. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently discuss and perform the task of replacing toiletries in English. So, let's get started. When it comes to replacing toiletries, it's important to know the names of different items commonly found in the bathroom. Here are some essential toiletries. Toothpaste, a paste used for cleaning teeth. Toothbrush, a small brush used for cleaning teeth. Shampoo, a liquid soap used for washing hair. Conditioner, a hair care product used after shampooing to make the hair softer and more manageable. Soap, a substance used for washing and cleaning the body. Toilet paper, a soft paper used for personal hygiene after using the toilet. Hand towel, a small towel used for drying hands. Tissue, a soft, disposable paper used for various purposes, including blowing the nose. By familiarizing yourself with these terms, you'll be ready to tackle the task of replacing toiletries in your daily life. Now that you know the names of various toiletries, let's learn how to express the need to replace them. Here are some useful phrases. I need to buy some toothpaste. I'm running out of shampoo. We're out of toilet paper. I need to get a new toothbrush. Remember to use these phrases when communicating your needs or when shopping for toiletries. It's always important to be able to express yourself clearly. When you go shopping for toiletries, it's helpful to know how to ask for what you need. Here are some phrases to use at the store. Excuse me, where can I find toothpaste? Do you have any shampoo in stock? Can you recommend a good brand of conditioner? I'm looking for a soft hand towel. Can you show me where they are? These phrases will assist you in finding the right aisle or section in the store and help you communicate effectively with the staff. After purchasing your toiletries, it's important to know how to store them properly. Here are some tips. Keep toothpaste and toothbrushes in a clean, dry place. Store shampoo and conditioner in a cool, dry area. Keep soap in a soap dish or a container that allows it to dry between uses. Store toilet paper in a dry location. By following these tips, you can ensure that your toiletries remain in good condition and are readily accessible when needed. Congratulations! You have successfully learned about replacing toiletries in English. By familiarizing yourself with essential vocabulary and phrases, you can confidently discuss and perform bathroom chores related to replacing toiletries. Keep practicing and incorporating these words and expressions into your everyday English conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!